Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy. So let's get started. We will go to my products page on GoDaddy and we'll find our domains. Then we find the domain that we want to sell and we will click manage. Then it follows up to the hub dashboard of GoDaddy and we will go to domain we want and we will click manage domain. After we click manage domain, it opens up this site and we will go to sell. When we go to sell, we will click here list for sale and we will put the desired price, set your buy now price. I will put, for example, $100 and you will click here the checkbox to add for sale page that people can see your domain much faster and much more. I will not click it because I'm not selling this. I am doing it for an example, and we will click publish listening. After we will click publish listening, we have this message: congratulations, we listed the GoDaddy-2023 for sale. We will close it and we can see now here edit listening. We listed it for $100 and we can see here edit listening. We will click on it and it follows up on another page, on a page where the domains are being sold, and it opens up this update domain details. We can update it, we can put our price, a new price, we can lower the price, or we can make the price higher, and we can put the floor price or the minimum price offer that is automatically made. This is an offer that people can see your domain and offer $65, for example, and they can offer you $65 and you can accept it or decline it how you want. And so guys, this is it. This is how you sell your domain name on GoDaddy. I hope this quick tutorial helps. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments or visit our channel for any other tutorial. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.